Well, here we go, the end of the day, 5 o'clock, sun's behind the trees, clouds are rolling in, bunch of blue sky but not here, and as you can see, this one sensor, that wind going over there, my goodness, this one sensor, it's not quite working both of these because they're set up differently. This arm here has a much shorter throw as opposed to this one. This is number 2. And by the way, right now the camera's on the top of my head, so that's 6 feet up, and that's probably about 9. The underside of the second one here so far. The new panels I put in. Canadian Solar. I don't know if you can see that. Anyways, much nicer frame. It's worked out pretty good. We end up having to put another sensor in here. Now I'm kind of glad I put the limit switches and the stops in. Battery's in there, it's running off the battery all underground. I got one little 15 watt Harbor Freight panel with a diode in it just to keep the battery going. And anyway, it's been the end of a long weekend. Just putting out some really good power, and laid out a couple of conduits, 20 feet. I think that's where I'm going to put the next one. Got almost another 470 watts to put up as of right now. That could change. Anyway, that's a picture of the final install. It's Sunday afternoon. It was raining a few moments ago. Anyway, that's it. Number 1 is number 2. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.